In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sites as PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a clean, shareable PDF of your Google site using your web browser's built-in tools. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google Sites. Sign in if you're prompted. On the main Google Sites page, look for the section labeled Recent Sites. This view is helpful because it shows the sites you've worked on most recently, so you can quickly pick up where you left off. Click the site you want to save and let it load completely. Give images and embedded content a moment to render so your PDF captures everything clearly. If you're scanning the top right corner and don't see a drop-down next to the Publish button, don't worry. You don't need a special export option in Google Sites to make a PDF. We'll use the browser's print feature, which produces reliable results and gives you control over layout and quality. When your page is ready, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Chromebook or Command+P on a Mac. This opens the print dialog. You should see a preview on the right and settings on the left. Look for destination and choose Save as PDF. This tells your browser to create a PDF instead of sending the page to a physical printer. Before saving, review a few options to get the best outcome. Check pages to make sure you're saving the correct content. If your site has multiple pages, remember that the print dialog captures only the page you're viewing. You can repeat the process for additional pages later. Adjust layout to portrait or landscape depending on your design, and use paper size to fit the content comfortably. If your site uses background colors or images, enable background graphics so the PDF matches what you see on screen. Scale and margins can help reduce awkward page breaks or prevent content from getting cut off. If your browser offers a simplified view, keep it off to preserve your site's layout. Once everything looks good in the preview, click Save. Choose a folder on your computer, give the file a clear name, such as the site page and date, and confirm. The browser will generate the PDF and place it in the location you selected. That's it. You've saved your Google site page as a PDF with full control over layout and appearance. Repeat the same process for any other pages you want to include, and you'll have a clean, portable set of PDFs ready to share or archive.